Welcome to KK Auto, your go-to channel for honest car reviews, detailed specs, and the latest automotive updates. Today we are exploring the exciting 2026 Toyota GR Corolla, a high-performance hot hatch developed by Toyota under its Gazoo Racing division. This car continues to deliver thrilling performance while maintaining everyday usability, making it one of the most exciting compact sports cars on the market. The exterior design of the 2026 GR Corolla is aggressive and purpose-built. It features a wide stance, bold front grille, and large air intakes that improve airflow and cooling. The aerodynamic body kit, including side skirts and a sporty rear diffuser, enhances both performance and visual appeal. A functional hood vent and rear spoiler not only add to the sporty look but also contribute to better aerodynamics at high speeds. Lightweight alloy wheels and performance tires give the car a planted stance, while new color options add a fresh touch to its already striking design. Inside the cabin, the GR Corolla focuses on a driver-oriented experience. The interior combines sporty elements with modern technology, featuring supportive sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. The dashboard includes a digital instrument cluster that displays performance data such as boost pressure and torque distribution. A central infotainment system offers smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control, ensuring convenience without distracting from the driving experience. Despite its performance focus, the car still provides decent comfort and practicality for daily use. Under the hood, the 2026 GR Corolla is powered by a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving drivers full control and a more engaging driving experience. Some variants may also offer an automatic transmission option for added convenience. The advanced all-wheel drive system, known as GR4, allows drivers to adjust torque distribution between the front and rear wheels, enhancing grip and handling in different driving conditions. This system makes the car equally capable on dry roads and challenging terrains. Performance is where the GR Corolla truly shines. The car offers quick acceleration, sharp handling, and excellent cornering ability. The suspension is tuned for sporty driving, providing a balance between stiffness and comfort. High-performance brakes ensure strong stopping power, while the precise steering gives drivers confidence on both city streets and winding roads. Whether you are driving on a track or enjoying a spirited drive, the GR Corolla delivers an exciting and responsive experience. Safety features in the 2026 GR Corolla include a range of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies help enhance safety without compromising the car's sporty nature. The strong build quality and advanced safety systems make it a reliable choice for everyday driving. One of the key advantages of the GR Corolla is its versatility. While it is designed as a performance car, it still offers the practicality of a hatchback. The rear seats and cargo space make it suitable for daily errands and small trips. The compact size also makes it easy to maneuver in urban environments, adding to its overall convenience. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a performance-oriented vehicle. The turbocharged engine is designed to deliver strong performance while maintaining decent fuel economy. This balance makes the GR Corolla a practical choice for those who want both excitement and efficiency in one package. Technology in the 2026 GR Corolla includes features like wireless charging, premium audio system, and connected services. These additions enhance the overall driving experience and ensure that the car stays competitive in its segment. The infotainment system is easy to use and responsive, providing quick access to various functions. Overall, the 2026 Toyota GR Corolla stands out as a thrilling and well-balanced hot hatch that combines performance, technology, and practicality. It is designed for enthusiasts who want a fun-to-drive car without sacrificing everyday usability. With its powerful engine, advanced all-wheel drive system, and modern features, the GR Corolla continues to be a strong contender in the performance hatchback segment. Thanks for watching KK Auto. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed car reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting content.